Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW guys X5 and you have engine oil on top of your spark plug or engine oil inside your spark plug, well, if you have 6-cylinder engine, guys, 8-cylinder engine, doesn't matter if it's gasoline engine, you have spark plugs and you have engine oil on top or around your spark plug, we will explain the number one reason that causes that and how to fix it. All the tools and parts needed to fix that, guys, we'll share where you can buy them from in the description of the video below, so please check it out, guys. We share it for your convenience and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Now, before we start, every single car, guys, we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. We're specifically making this video today for the oil around the spark plug or on top of the spark plug, because many of you guys commented under our videos that you wanted that specific video, since there is a little bit of limited information on BMW X5. Specifically, it doesn't matter if you have a 6 or 8-cylinder engine, the procedure will be the same. But we'll demonstrate on N52 engine that has been used in 3 Series BMW, 5 Series BMW, X3 and X5 BMW, and I even think 1 Series BMW here in the United States. So with that being said, guys, let me show you. That's where the ignition coils are located. So you have, for 6-cylinder engine, you have 6 ignition coils. If you have a V8 engine, you have 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. You have 2 cylinder heads. Now, let's say you remove your ignition coil. Okay, you remove your ignition coil and you pull it out. You may even notice oil on the ignition coil or inside where your spark plugs are. That's actually full of engine oil, and it may be just one spark plug, it may be 2, it may be even more, it really depends, but usually it will not be all of them. And what is a common thing to see that, guys? Let's say you pull your spark plug and you see quite a bit of engine oil. Okay, there is a simple solution to that, and most likely, guys, okay, right here you can see around your spark plug hose, this is your valve cover, correct? This is your valve cover. On the thing on the bottom where the spark plug mounts to, that's your cylinder head. The two parts connect to each other and you have a gasket. You can see, for instance, that red gasket. And if the valve cover gasket starts leaking between the cylinder head and the valve cover, okay, and the gasket I'm talking about, it's this one right here, what will happen? You will start leaking oil. And for instance, you can see that middle part of the gasket is the one for the spark plugs. This is for a 6-cylinder engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spark plugs, guys. So definitely, okay, definitely a gasket that is causing our problem. In some rare cases, it could be a cracked valve cover, but that does not happen very often, guys. Most of the times you have to replace your valve cover, go with the whole kit, with the one for the spark plugs and the one around it, because once you remove it, usually valve covers will start to leak. So always go with the whole kit, guys, and hopefully that will fix the problem. If you have too much engine oil inside your spark plug hole, that can even cause this misfire. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.